We're going to create a summary report for the scenarios. So we're going to go up here to data. We're going to go to what ifs, scenario manager, and I'm going to unclick the current because I want to make a summary report. So I'm going to go to summary and then scenario summary, and we're going to go right into this with we're going to put in, so it goes create a scenario report for the results of cells B9 through B11. So we're going to put B9 through B11. And then right here, it's going to go from F14 to H14. So we're going to put 14, and we're going to put a 14. Then we're going to press OK. And then boom. So this is going to give us now the summary report for this. And this is where you can basically analyze what the current values are, unit cell increase, unit cell decrease. So it's going to be comparing the two scenarios to help you kind of, make decisions and stuff like that. So since these repeat right here, we're going to delete the column D just to kind of not repeat it. And so this is now this is going to help you basically analyze all the data. This is going to be the current, there's going to be the unit increase, the unit cells decrease, and yeah, and that's how you would do that.